Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Roblox file location on your PC. Whether you're trying to manage your Roblox data or troubleshoot an issue, this guide will make it easy for you to access the files you need. Step 1. The first thing you want to do is open up the Run command. You can use the keyboard shortcut, the Windows key, and then the R key to open up the Run application. Alternatively, you can go to the search bar on your PC, type in the word Run, and click on the app that appears. Step 2. Once you've opened the Run application, type in the following string of characters exactly, sent local app data %. Make sure to include the percentage signs before and after the phrase. After that, hit Enter on your keyboard. Step 3. This will bring up the File Explorer app on your screen. From here, scroll down to find the letter R and look for a folder named Roblox. Step 4. Double-click on the Roblox folder. Inside, you'll find everything related to Roblox, including game files, installation data, and other important folders. If you're a creator, all your relevant files, including downloads, will be here. Just remember to access this folder through the app data path I showed earlier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy tech tutorials from Techie Dialogue.